you can't trust anything. You have to question everything. But the most recent edition of Vogue magazine has Anne Hathaway on the cover. And as you flick through, you see a full page ad from Guess, the brand Guess.
Yeah.
And in teeny tiny little print in one of the corners, it says that this ad was generated by AI. Now,
Completely.
Now, there's nothing unusual with seeing AI art and all the rest, but the ad was a full-sized woman wearing Guess clothing. So what you can do is you can feed in images. So if you've used anything like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, or any of the platforms that are out there, you can feed in an image for it to work off. So you can put in a jacket.
Right.
And you can say, can you generate an image of a woman who's 28, who's a size 8, wearing this jacket? And it will do that. And this has caused some very loyal Vogue subscribers to call for others and indeed themselves to cancel their accounts. It's also called into question the model and the beauty industry, because there's a few different aspects here. There's the beauty standards point that you absolutely raised, and you're dead right that is one aspect of this. We've been on this journey for quite a while with photoshopping, with filters and all the rest. Then there is the business side of this. Modeling is a business. You're putting people out of work by doing that. There's also then the creative side of things, because if you think about it, if you've ever done a photo shoot, it's not just you, the model, that's going there. There will be a photographer. There will be someone on the lighting.
Photo shoots. They really do take a long time.
Some people need more work than others. But
mine take a long time. Let me put it that way.
But it is, there's a whole team and machine behind the photo shoots. And I think this is worrying on a few fronts. As I said, the models and the beauty standards for sure, but then also the creative industries.